Hi everyone, Alex Ryan here, and welcome back to the studio. Today we're talking Amazon, we are talking hot products, and we're going to dive right into one awesome hot product today. I'm going to reveal the actual stats, the statistics on this particular one product, and why I personally would jump onto this one product. So I'm going to reveal that to you. But before doing that, a common question I get asked a lot is are people still making money? I mean, like, on Amazon, like, what is the deal? What are people making? Is it worthwhile jumping on there? If I'm just going to make a couple of $100 a week, is it really worth the time and effort trying to find a winning product, or to try and find a supplier on Alibaba? Like, what is the deal, right? Well, I'll give you the answer to that right now. Okay, so I'm on Amazon right now, and I'm looking at some of the best sellers in baby. Now, I've been involved with the baby niche before. It's a niche that's very profitable because we used to do baby clothing, and as the infant gets older, there's 1 month-year-old clothing, then there's less than 3 months, and 3 to 6, and 6 to year, and then if there's a loyalty and there's a brand there, they keep buying those clothes over and over again, and there's a consistent loyalty there, so you have a customer for life. That's the advantage of jumping on the baby niche, and looking after your customer, and they will stay with you for life. But I want to show you what these people are making. I want to show you using, this is just one of the tools that I use. So guys, this might shock you, right? But these are just baby clothing, right? This is baby products, baby clothing, bits and bobs. This particular product right here, which is a changing pad, they're doing $250,000 a month. This is a 30-day window right here. So $250,000 USD a month. You look at this one right here, which is it's like a baby cam. They're doing $1.63 million a month. Okay, because some people ask me, is it really worthwhile? Are people really killing it on Amazon? People are. I mean, there's some great products out on Amazon, and people are really doing really well. Let's just go down the list here. You've got a baby gate, right? Very lightweight baby gate. You can see here they're doing $500,000 USD per month. So people are really killing it. And by the way, guys, if you want to know the tool I'm using, I think below this video or on this video, there's a link. I use about 6 different tools before jumping on a particular product. So I don't just look at this and go, yep, let's jump right into it. I do other research involved as well. I look at the weight, look at the size, look at competitors, the saturation, and all that. But guys, use tools. It makes a big difference. It will save you a ton of time. But it's definitely something I would recommend you guys do. So you can see, if you scroll down the figures right here, you can see people are making some pretty good figures here, like pretty good money. And a lot of it does come down to choosing a winning product. And when I say winning, I don't mean a hot product. I don't mean like a fidget spinner where it's been and it's gone, it's a fad, right? I'm talking a product that has got consistent demand, that isn't seasonal. It's not selling Halloween clothing or Christmas decorations because it's only hot for so long. You want to focus on something that's got consistent demand, that is a household sort of product that's got constant use within every day, either every day or every 2 or 3 days. It's going to be used, because that's ideally where you have the turnover, and that's ideally where you have the recurring customers and the mass purchasing power. All right, guys. So I just want to share that with you. So now I want to show you one of the products that I'm actually considering jumping on. All right. So, and while we're waiting for that to load, by the way, guys, I've been doing importing from China for about 10 years. I'm the best-selling author of How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. Guys, I've been teaching not only how to find hot products, but the most important is finding a quality supplier for a quality product. So if you find a winning product, then you also need, guess what, a winning supplier. So if you find a winning product, you jump on Alibaba or jump on AliExpress and you find a supplier, and that supplier either goes bankrupt within 2 months, or then the second order has got defective or bad quality products, I'm the one that will make sure that doesn't happen. Okay, so I teach folks how to go out and find hot products, winning products with sustainable life cycles, but also how to find quality suppliers, okay, and how to make sure that the product is going to be effective and isn't going to give you bad or one-star feedback. So this is the product right here. It's a pressure cooker and it's accessories. So it's an instant 5, 6, 8 steamer basket, spring pan. So it's like kind of like a bundle box, right? This is what, it's not just one product, it's a bundle box. Okay, so it's also $29.95. They've got 31 customer reviews. So let's bring up the stats for this. And mind you guys, don't forget there are tools out there that allow you to do quick research fast. Back in the day, I would say about 4 years ago, when a lot of my students were just getting onto Amazon and just jumping onto eBay and selling it via their own website, you had to do the research by hand, which was incredibly painful. But now there are tools out there that sort of allow you to jump on it and get it done really fast. So here we are. All right. So this is the actual product right here. You can see that it is $29.95. That's the product there. 4,000 bestseller rank. They're doing 24 daily sales a day, right? And you've got 17 grand a month in revenue. And guess what? The reviews are only 31. Okay, 31 reviews, which is great. Now I've got little specifications that I aim for, but this is really good. Usually I go for less than 300 reviews, and this is incredible. 17 grand a month, 31 reviews, 24 daily sales. They're making money, and it's a great product. So that's the product that I'm personally looking at, and I'm currently got about 20 or 30 different products I'm actually looking at right now. So guys, it's not just finding, I'm going to reinsure you, it's not just finding the winning product or using some tool online. You've got to do more research. It's not just seeing this and going, I want to jump on it. You've got to research the supplier. You've got to research other things like, is it selling off Amazon? Is it selling on eBay? Who are your competitors? Who's selling it offline? And how can you get the best possible price from the supplier on Alibaba or AliExpress? So there's a lot of other things in motion that you need to do to make this a really viable, feasible, and profitable product long term. So guys, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. My name's Alex Ryan. If you would like to get a free video series, head over to my website now. I've got a free webinar and a video program there where you can access, where we talk about hot products, we talk about suppliers, and a whole bunch more. Thanks for joining me. My name's Alex Ryan. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. Some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?